Yo, what is up, you guys? So we were editing the video, and we realized that we have no intro. So basically, we followed a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial and duked it out to see who could do makeup better. You know, I won. Of course I did, because that's what I do. I win. So, you know, check it out.
I don't think so, Jeff.
Alright, you guys, if you want to see how to get this crazy Christmas transformation, then keep on watching.
I know, I wanted to...
Alright, obviously we're starting with this shit. You gotta find some shit like this.
What is this?
They can help each other, but we can't help them. Alright, shut up.
Shut the frick up!
No, that's it. That's the stuff.
Fenty Beauty.
We can't tell you. It's cold.
No, this is good. I need the booty blender. Homie. It's like that little egg-shaped thing.
What do I do if I have to pee?
You don't pee. Does Jeffree Star pee?
No.
In the video?
I'm doing it for you, Jeffree.
Something's not adding up. Wait, tell them what the stakes are.
Alright, so the team
No,
that
not in there. It's all blurry because it's.
Alright, so the winner's team, they get a $5 Starbucks gift card and they get $2.50 each, though.
Talk about what you're doing.
So usually what I do with the paint stick is I stir paint. I'm trying to accentuate the cheekbones, you know? I'm trying to get a little bit more line here. I'm trying to make it look more full.
yeah.
We need some shit called buff. Wait, is this the way?
Dude, that's the white. Wait, why doesn't it?
I know. What?
Like, it runs out.
Alright, it's adding up. Yes.
Wait.
Yes, bitch. Alright, I'm good. We're good.
Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit? Yeah.
Contour. Is this not contour?
Maybe if you ask the camera, it'll tell you.
Morning makeup.
Oh.
This is Kat Von D. This is the shit, dude.
This is that cat on the shit. It's looking
I'm
right.
accenting the cheekbones.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
I'm so glad you guys can look at yourselves very well.
Well, it's not done yet. It's dark.
Damn.
Your
contour looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yours too.
Next step.
Hit it.
So we're going in with the little velour liquid lip and shade Red Wrap. I know, I'm so
What?
excited.
This is where we're gonna really get it like cleaned up.
Yeah. This is where it's really.
This is kind of, it's like sanding. Like you gotta get a lot on, and then you just gotta sand it back down.
Stop comparing this to construction!
Where is one of these? This on the eyebrow or something. Yeah.
Lady.
Now we just
Dude,
line
this
up
is Fuego.
so good.
This is how it goes.
Y'all.
Yeah.
Eyeshadow.
This shit is fabulous. It's called Lip and Shine. Gloss and gloss. You feel me? You know what I'm saying?
Gloss and gloss. Blending, bro.
We're gonna need black. Alright, whatever.
How do you clean brushes?
Make
You gotta use brush cleaner, and then you gotta use you dip it in a little pink dinner, and then you beat the devil out of it.
And just beat the devil out of him.
That was accurate.
What?
Alright, close your eyes. I'm going in. Instant results with this one.
I want to know, how do you guys feel like how do you feel you're doing?
Good. Oh. What's he using? Oh, like some cat eye shit. Cat eyes.
You are fucking highlighted to the god.
Now you're gonna do some liner. Ooh, that is the Anastasia Gel Black Liner. Is it called Jet or no?
Jet, yeah.
It is. I wanna see how you did it.
Oh yeah.
Ew. Pretty.
Let me see close. Close them.
Dang, Amy Winehouse?
Ready for
What?
next step?
Next step.
What you doing?
Gotta get the brows in.
What is this? What is this? Is this for lips? Alright, you better let me know if it's for lips.
Where's
It's for lips.
Oh.
Oh, hell yeah.
That fool has a teardrop, bro.
Oh, he has two. 2 teardrops.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Did he have two? Did he kill two dudes or one?
When they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Oh, that's my face mask.
I had to like highlight the bottom of that so it looks more like accentuated.
Right, yeah, with purple, of course. That makes sense.
I think y'all are done.
That's it? We're done!
First I'm done. I don't even
Yay!
need that much.
Ready?
This is awesome!
What is it? I'm so scared.
Yes! I think this is a new look for you guys.
Oh my god! Honestly, mine is so much better than yours. Oh, whose
Beautiful.
looks better? Whose is more wearable?
Sabrina. Alright,
Hell yeah.
I think Team Sector 1. Sabrina and Hector.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Hell yeah!
I'm just so naughty.
Now we gotta go to Target.
So that's our video. Sector 5ers, like and subscribe.